In this video, I am gonna tell you about a super rare 1985 International Youth Year 1 rupee coin, which is India's most valuable commemorative 1 rupee coin. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up? Welcome to another video. I am the Coin Doctor. If this is your first time here and you wanna learn more about your coin collection, the rarity of your coins and the actual market value of your coins, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything, which is absolutely free. If you have any question or query about your coins, Indian as well as foreign coins, please leave a comment starting with hashtag #TheCoinDoctor. I will try to answer your question as well as include your question in Q&A session, and let me know in the comment section which rare commemorative coin you possess. Okay, without any delay, let's get into the details. On the screen we can see a 1985 International Youth Year commemorative 1 rupee coin. Commemorative coins are coins issued to commemorate some particular event or issue with a distinct design concerning the occasion on which they were issued. Many coins of this category serve as collector's items only. However, some countries like India issues commemorative coins for regular circulation also. India started releasing commemorative coins from the year 1964. The first 1 rupee commemorative coin in 1964 was issued to mark the death of the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, while the second one was issued in 1969 commemorating the birth centenary of father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji. This Youth Year coin is India's third commemorative 1 rupee coin. However, this is India's first copper nickel alloy commemorative coin, as the previous two were made up of nickel. United Nations General Assembly observed the year 1985 as International Youth Year with three themes: participation, development, and peace. The main objective was to focus worldwide attention on the needs of young people and to give recognition to the vital role which they can play in the creation of a more just and peaceful world. On 12th January 1985, India observed the year 1985 as the Year of Youth, as 12th January is also the birth anniversary of the youth icon of India, Swami Vivekananda, which henceforth is being observed as National Youth Day. India launched 1 rupee commemorative coin with the theme of International Youth Year. India also issued commemorative coins with 10 and 100 rupees denominations in proof and uncirculated specimens. So this is the brief history of the coin. Let's venture into its physical details. On the obverse of the coin, we can see a small Ashoka pillar lion capital with Satyameva Jayate written in Hindi at its bottom. On the bottom of the coin, the denomination 1 with rupee in English and rupiah written in Hindi. Also on the top right, we can see India written in English and the top left Bharat written in Hindi. Now coming to the reverse of the coin, we can see Antarrashtriya Yuva Varsh written in Hindi and International Youth Year in English. The year 1985 is mentioned at the top. At the center we have a picture representing the theme of the coin. We can see a dove and an olive branch representing peace, and in between dove and olive branch we can see three outlined profiles of youth faces. These coins were struck at Bombay, Calcutta and Hyderabad mints. We can observe a diamond mark below the year 1985, which signifies that the coin was minted at Bombay Mint. Likewise, if there is no mint mark below the year, then it is from Calcutta Mint, and the 5-pointed star below the year 1985 signifies that the coin was minted at Hyderabad Mint. As I mentioned, the coin was made of copper nickel alloy. The shape of the coin is circular. The weight of the coin is 6 gram and its diameter is 26 mm. And the coin has a security edge for security issues. If a coin is rare, then definitely its counterfeit copies will be available. That's where the dimension of the coin, such as weight, diameter and edge, becomes crucial. After knowing the complete details of the coin, let's know about the essential information about the coin's actual market value. I have already mentioned that 1985 International Youth Year 1 rupee commemorative coin was minted at Bombay, Calcutta and Hyderabad mints. Since the mintage of Hyderabad minted coins is very low, this kind of coin minted at Hyderabad mint is super rare, which makes it the most valuable commemorative 1 rupee coin. Depending on the condition of the coin, the price may vary from 15,000 to 50,000 Indian rupees. This coin is so rare that I found only one link where it was put up for auction in auction houses, but it has been mentioned in almost all of the reference books. The only link of the coin being auctioned can be seen on the screen. It was put up for auction in Rajgarh Auction House in May 2015 at Ahmedabad. Though the coin is just in fine condition, its estimated price was 35,000 to 40,000 Indian rupees with a starting price of 35,000 Indian rupees. If you have this coin with a star mark below its year, that's 1985, definitely you are in possession of an extremely rare coin. Even if you possess this coin in reasonable condition, you may fetch around 25,000 to 30,000 Indian rupees. Now coming to the actual market values of the other mint coins. The coins issued from Bombay Mint comes under scarce category, and the value of the coin is 25 to 75 Indian rupees depending on the condition of the coin. The coins issued from Calcutta Mint also comes under a scarce category. The price varies from 50 to 150 Indian rupees depending on the condition of the coin. If you have this coin and need my help, you can contact me. I will help you in whatever way it is possible, and it's free of cost. I hope you liked the video as well as the information. Please like the video and comment. And if you wanna know more about your coin collection or the rarity of your coins, as well as the true market value of your coins, then start now by hitting the subscribe icon so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.